Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Elixir. First, understand that this special resource is exclusive to your builder base. It's essential for advancing your progress, allowing you to strengthen your defenses and improve your attacking units. Think of it as the fuel for your builder base's growth. You'll need a steady supply to keep your upgrades going and your base competitive. Let's dive into how you can effectively manage and utilize this valuable resource for maximum impact. Earning Builder Elixir is straightforward once you know the key methods. The most consistent way is by winning battles in the builder base. Successful attacks grant you a good portion of loot. Don't forget your Elixir collectors. They generate a steady, passive income, so keep them upgraded and collect frequently. Also, completing your daily star bonus challenges provides a substantial boost, often giving you thousands of Elixir, which is crucial for faster progression. When it comes to spending Builder Elixir, focus on strategic upgrades. Your primary use will be to improve your builder base buildings, making your defenses stronger and your resource production more efficient. Equally important is upgrading your builder base troops. Stronger troops mean more successful attacks and more earned Elixir. Consider prioritizing upgrades that offer the most immediate impact, like your main offensive units or critical defensive structures, to maintain a balanced and powerful base. To truly maximize your builder base progress, consistency is key. Ensure your Elixir collectors are always working and upgraded to their highest possible level for continuous income. Make it a habit to attack often enough to earn your daily star bonus. This provides a significant amount of Elixir that accelerates your upgrades. Finally, strive for a good balance between upgrading your offensive capabilities and strengthening your defenses. This approach ensures steady, efficient growth and a formidable builder base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.